everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and this right here is going to be an unboxing video. I recently made another purchase from Gucci and I just want to go ahead and show it to you guys. So if you guys like these types of videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Also leave a like and a comment, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. It did come in this bag. And of course, I've already opened it and inspected it and everything. And then it did come nicely in this box. And it's nice to know that Gucci is still taking a lot of care and wrapping their boxes and everything. And so let's go ahead and open this up. And of course, you get your Gucci wrapping paper and your dust bag. Okay, so as you see, this is quite the small item here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here it is right here, guys. This is the Gucci GG Marmont mini bag, and this is the vertical style. And if you guys watched my previous video on the Towards the Sun collection, you do know that I got this same bag in the mint green color, and I love that bag so much. I use it all the time that I wanted to get it in a black color, and I think that this color is absolutely gorgeous. And so let's go ahead and take a look inside. Again, you guys have already seen my previous video on the other color bag. Here's the inside right here. You have that microfiber lining, and I really truly love these card slots right here because it makes it to where you don't have to carry a card holder or a wallet or anything. You can put your phone in here, you can put your keys, you can put a card holder if you wanted to, a small little wallet, some sunglasses, a lip gloss. You can fit quite a few essential items in this bag. It does have that polished gold hardware, which is really beautiful, and it does have the nice soft leather here. And then you do have the chain here. I'm just gonna go ahead and briefly show you guys what fits in here. Okay, so first things first, you do have the card holder, and you can fit about 3 cards comfortably in each slot, and there's 2 slots. So I would say you can fit about 6 cards in here comfortably. So that's that. Then I will go ahead and take my iPhone 11 Pro Max. That fits in there perfectly with no issues. Then as you see, you still have quite a bit of room. So we're gonna go ahead and take some sunglasses. You can put some sunglasses in here as well. Slide those in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take a lip gloss and slide that in here. And then again, as you see, you still have room, okay? So if you wanted to, of course, you're gonna put your keys in here. So I'll just slide my keys in here. So once you do that, it is pretty full. So then just go ahead and zip it up, and it zips up easily. A nice smooth zipper here on this bag, no issues. And so yeah, that is what it's looking like. And you could actually put something else in here if you wanted to. You still do have some room, but I think that, you know, this is pretty good. But yeah, this is definitely a gorgeous bag. If you're looking for like an easy bag that you can use to run errands or maybe date night or something, this is definitely a bag to look out for. If you're new to the Gucci brand and you just want to try something from Gucci and you don't want to break the bank, this is something you can definitely check out. Let me go ahead and insert a picture of me wearing this bag, and that way you can see I am 5'2", and as you see, this chain right here, of course, this strap is not adjustable, so you definitely want to make sure that, you know, it's not too short and it's not too long on you. But again, I am 5'2", and I feel like it hits me just right, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing, guys. If you guys have any questions or if you have any comments or if you're interested in purchasing this bag, you're gonna find a link in the description bar for you. And you guys know that I appreciate you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.